Akiaria na ceceni ya Citizen TV, murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa Ntsa guku bururi-ini na Hashon Kodiwa augite rekodi iria ruhonge ruru ruri nayo gukinyeria riu ya ngari iria iri guku bururi-ini ni nguru muno na ni irabatara kwandikwo weru. Akiuga uthurimi uyu wa o muhaka ukite niguo kurora wagiriru wa ngari gukorwo ire barabara-ini niguo kunyihia mitino. Akiuga rekodi ironania ngari iria nguru makiria ire o barabara, uguo he bata wa guthurimwo weru.
You should have realized that we have even narrowed down to have commercial vehicle regulation. See, for the commercial vehicles, we have just been doing the specific roadworthiness inspection, but we have not done for the use. And that's why among all these regulations that we are doing, there is vehicle inspection regulation, there is commercial vehicle regulation, and there's crew transport regulation, and there is drunk driving regulation. So we are talking about 4 regulations. We are not just talking about one.
Ciegi wihariria wa bururi guthurima namba nene ya ngari kuona bururi uri tu na ceceni 17 cia uthurimi gukinyeria riu. Kodiwa augite ruhonge ruru ni rukunyitanira na honge ingi cia andu kiumbe na gucihe marua ma uthurimi niguo iteithiririe hari mihango ino riri nayo Ntsa yugite ni gutigirira o county iri na ceceni ya guthurima ngari. Mihango ino igitanywo kuinikirira mweri-ini wa gatandatu mwaka ukite.
Even some of the requirements like reflective, like if you look at commercial vehicles when they are stalled on the road, you can't tell, you just find yourself bumping into one. And this has caused a lot of accidents. Right now we are requiring them to have a strip of reflective material and to a certain standard, and this will be part of the inspection.
Oho Kodiwa nionekete kwagira witikio urihi wa faini kuri ene a ngari kugerera rurenda rwa eCitizen. Akiuga rwahota kofanirio ni mikora riu akienda faini ciothe irihagwo kugerera bengi ni mundu kiumbe.
The initial communication that triggers you to pay is an SMS totally outside the platform, and then you have to click, and that's what the fraudsters are trying to do. You have to click to see all the details. The fraudsters are trying to hijack that process by sending you a fake SMS so that you click and pay. Now, if ours was also to click and pay, then we'll be playing into the hands of these fraudsters.
Kodiwa ni atianeirie ndeto ati ruhonge ruru ni ruratumika na njira ya kiuteti. Akiuga Ntsa iratumika kuhingia kiraniro kiria thirikari yereire a Kenya na uguo niguo rwihoterete gwika.
A very good example, we introduced e-logbook the other day. And we make sure that it's one touch to interact with government, saving you time to go about doing your business. If you want to get funds based on your vehicle records, you can get it within the shortest time possible. That's easy of doing business.
Oho ni arutire mukana matereba akimenda gutwarithia ngari na ubashiriri na marumirire mawatho ma barabara. Akiuga aria mekunyitikana makiuna watho ni megutacukirio makinya ma kiwatho kana makanjirwo marua mao ma wira. Ngiri Fotera, Inoro TV, Njitagwo William Wainaina.